Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can link Notion calendar to Notion. So first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser and then you just have to log in to your Notion account. Okay, so after that, you just have to go here at the left side and then scroll down and look for the Notion calendar. So we have that right here. So just simply tap on this one and then another tab will open. So right here, just go to this option at the top and go to the view settings and go to the general settings. And then here, under the Notion workspaces, so tap on the add Notion workspace and then tap on the connect Notion workspace. Okay, after that, you just have to tap on allow access. That's right. And then just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, now the Notion workspace has been connected. All right, so all you have to do here is to select that specific date, and then I just have to tap on the Add Notion database. Okay, and then I just have to select the database that you want to connect. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, so select all, and then after that, you'll be able to see that right here. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helps solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.